How would you like to make fast cash while you build your list? Hey guys, it's Sam here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be giving an honest review on a product called Fast List. It will teach you 10 ways to build a list now. Welcome back guys. So today I'll be looking at Fast List now, and I'll also be offering some awesome bonuses that is going to, take your list to its maximum potential in order to generate cash. And then I'll be taking you guys to the members area of Fast List now, where you can see what Fast List is more about, the front end of what you are actually purchasing. Okay, so what is Fast List now? It's a way to make fast cash while you build your list, and Dawood will be teaching you 10 fast ways to build a list now. So what will you be getting from this? So you'll be getting 10 fast method to building a list, and you will earn while you learn, and hopefully you get 1,000 subscribers every month. No tech skills required, works in any niche, full video training provided, and so much more. So guys, I'll be giving like my honest review on this product and what I actually think about it, at the end of this video. So here you have like a quick summary of what Fast List does. So I won't be playing the video, it's about 4 minutes long because of time, but there'll be a link in the description below where you can come back and get access to this video. Okay, so you have a 30-day money back guarantee if you purchase this product, and if it doesn't work for you, you can always get your money back. So this product is made by Dawood Islam and Oscar Soto. Okay, and they will teach you how to make money while building your list. Now I'm sure some of you might be like, what is the list? Okay, email marketing is something that has grown over the last couple of years, and it's actually generating a lot of money for people. Okay, so I'll just be scrolling through not to waste much time, and as we all know, Dawood is one of the top 5 affiliates and top 10% vendor on Warrior Plus. Okay, so here is a quick demo video of Fast List now. Okay, I'm just gonna play a couple of seconds of it so that you guys can just take a look to see. So this is just like a quick demo of Fast List now. Okay, and like I said previously, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. And as you can see, this is like the Warrior Plus page of Dawood, where we can see that he has made quite a lot of money, using this product over the last couple of months. Okay, and let's see. So what is Fast List now? So first thing first, you are getting 10 great methods to build your list fast. You'll get a step-by-step, easy to follow videos, lots of free additional training and resources. No tech skills is needed, and it's totally newbie friendly. And each method has been tested by experts, and all 10 methods works perfectly now in 2021. So once you purchase this product, you'll be getting some bonuses from the vendors. Okay, so you're getting 7-figure super affiliate training, exclusive Facebook group, and massive product bundle. Okay, you'll also be getting 20 times resellers right, and most importantly, you are getting a dedicated customer support 24/7. Okay, so this basically sums up the sales page. So I'll be moving on to the bonus page right now, so you guys can see the awesome bonuses that I'll be offering to you in order to get this product to the top for you guys. Here is the bonus page, guys. Sam's sensational bonus bundle. So guys, if you have plans to get this product right now, there'll be a link in the description below just click on it. It brings you here, and then you can click to grab fast list now on this page. Okay, so like I said previously, this will teach you 10 ways to build a list, and it will help you get like 1,000 subscribers per month, while you earn and work at the same time. Okay, and it has been proven by experts that this method works in 2021, okay, which I don't know, so I just read what I saw. So yeah, well, anyways, it can work for you, and it might not work for you. So if it doesn't work for you, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So before I talk about the prices and the upsells, quickly I'll go down to the bonuses to show you guys what I'll be offering, for this product. So the first bonus I'll be offering to you guys is Gemini. Okay, access Gemini plus all the autos. Okay, this is going to help you. This is like another product on its own that is going to help your business. I'll put it that way, but don't miss out on this, guys. It's worth a bump. And the second one I'll be offering is get the bonus page builder. Okay, so this will help you, or this will teach you on how to build a bonus page and help you fast track your sales and help you get people to come across to your site. While the third bonus I'll be offering is how to boost your SEO. Okay, every business needs an SEO. Every business wants to get to the top. They want to be on the top of Google once people search. So this will help your business. Okay, and the fourth one I'll be offering is access insurgency. Just like the name describes, insurgency. Okay, it's going to actually boost your business and boost traffic to your product or to your page or to whatever you're trying to sell out. Okay, and the fifth bonus is access all special bonuses once you purchase this product. And guys, if you need more information on how to make money online, just visit the Ministry of Freedom Organization.com. This has been proven, this has been tested, it has worked for me, and I'm pretty sure it will work for you too. So let's quickly go on to the prices and the upsells so that we can see what the vendors are offering here. So the front end for fast list now goes for $12.95. With this, you'll be able to access the fast list now software and the training modules, and the bonus giveaway rights, which is for $17 if you purchase this right now from this link. So it gives this product and all my previous bonus products away as bonuses. Okay, so the previous product that has been done by Dawood will be given away to you guys as bonuses. And the upsell 2 is the total traffic fix. It's for $97, but if you purchase it now, you get it for $47. So you send 6 times super solo ads to all the members of all his 25 own membership sites. And the upsell 3 is the reseller's right. Okay, with this you get the reseller's right to total traffic, so you can sell it as if it were your own product and keep commissions across the entire funnels. And the upsell 4 is launch weekly. Launch your done for you weekly campaigns, which goes for $47. Okay, so with this you get like 3 times done for you campaigns each and every week, including a done for you bonus page with review videos, promo demos, and 10 custom bonuses delivered to you. And this requires the use of Commission Gorilla. And upsell number 5 is launch a product with Dawood, and it's limited to 5 persons only. Okay, so with this it is perfect if you want to launch your own product and you don't exactly know what to do. So with this you can launch a product with Dawood. So either you choose your own product or have him create one for you. And all of his recent launches have achieved like over 250 sales, with some passing 500 sales and winning the deals of the day. So you can guarantee yourself a buyer list that will earn you money for years to come and take advantage of these unique opportunities. and for a limited time this exclusive offer will include better access to Dawood's new high-ticket program, the Elite Academy, launching later this month. And you'll be one of the very first to join, but this goes for $1,000, almost $1,000. Okay, and if you think if it's really worth it for you, then all well and good, you can give it a try. And here are some of the key benefits you might be interested in getting. So it's like no tech skill needed, a lot of free additional training and resources, step by step, easy to follow videos, and all 10 method works perfectly, and then it's totally newbie friendly. So quickly I'll just like show you guys the first 6 to 10 seconds of the demo of this video before we move on to the members area where you can see this live.
Hi and welcome to this really quick demo of Fast List Now. Before I do take you into the members area, I just thought I'd give you...
Well, this is just an overview, okay, of this. We'll be going on to the members area very soon, so you guys can see how it works. Okay, so what's my take on this before moving on to the bonus, to the members area? Okay, well, Fast List Now, it's like getting a lot of email lists that will help you send your business across to thousands of emails, not just emails but buyers email lists. Okay, so Dawood will help and he will teach you how to get it. Now the thing is, I haven't used this product before, so I don't know how it is or how it might work, or does it have like a selected kind of people it will work for, or does it work for everyone in general? I don't have any idea on that. But if you purchase this product now and then if it works for you, you can just leave a comment below to tell us how it was and what you gained from this. And if it doesn't work for you, you can also tell us so that we can learn from you as well. Okay, and don't forget guys, you are guaranteed a 30-day money back if it doesn't work for you. So I'll be moving on to the members area now so you guys can see more of what Fast List Now is all about. So this is the members area guys. So once you purchase Fast List Now, this is where you come to. So you have like the get the total traffic fix that I showed on the bonus page, forgotten the price. You get the support, the logout, and the elite program that is coming up next month or so from Dawood. Okay, and once you purchase it, you get a welcome from Dawood right here. Okay, let's see.
Thanks for picking up a copy of Fast List Now.
So he's thanking us for picking up a copy of Fast List Now, and you get the welcome video, and then you get the overview of the product, and then you get your main training section. There are 10 training sections here, which means the 10 ways which you can build your email list. Okay, and you can download an up-to-date email list here and access the secret weapon here. And there are 10 videos here, which is the 10 ways, as well as you have the resources here. So you have like a brown bear bargain, okay, here, access brown bear bargains, and also your free squeeze pages here as well. Okay, and here you have, let's see what's here. Okay, the conclusion video. Okay, and you have access to the bonuses that was promised here. How to access the bonuses will be shown here, and the upgrades like I showed you guys previously. So the bonus giveaway, right, the total traffic fix, the resellers, right, the done for you weekly campaigns, and become a better texter for the Elite Academy, and some unadvertised bonus as well that you'll be getting. Okay, so this is just a quick summary of what buyer of the list is, the Fast List Now is. Okay, and here you can learn a lot. Even if it doesn't work for you, you can always learn, because once you learn it becomes a part of you. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this product right now, please click on the link in this description below and purchase fast list now. Okay, and if it doesn't work for you, then you are guaranteed a 30-day money back guarantee, but I'm pretty sure it will work for you because the world has created like lots of product, and there has been no complaints over the past couple of months that have known his products. Okay, so this summarizes the video, guys. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and comment in the description below, and also share this to your friends and families, and don't forget to like the video most importantly. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.